Derek with Eliminex. I gotta get my flashlight here. And I didn't put my light in here. So I'm here doing a quick attic inspection. You can see that gap there, that air gap by the gutters. Trying to find out possible ways bats are getting in. That's enough space that's right under the shingles. That's also how animals can chew through. And you can see all the bat droppings all over. And they're all over the attic. So it needs to be cleaned up because they're still in the house. So it needs to be cleaned up and sanitized, disinfected. And the exhaust gets vented outside. And then we could do some remediation work, seal up the gaps, and call it a day, and certify it free of bats.